Hello, little friends. Today, we're going to visit the farm, the wild, and even the deep blue sea. So come along and let's have fun learning about these wonderful creatures. First, let's head to the farm. Dog. Farm dogs help protect animals and love to play. What sound do dogs make? Woof, woof. Cat. Farm cats help keep mice away. They love to nap and say meow. Can you meow like a cat? Meow. Cow. Look. These are cows. Cows give us fresh milk, and they love to eat grass. Can you moo like a cow? Moo. Horse. Wow! Look at these strong horses. Horses help farmers and love to run. Let's gallop like a horse. Neigh. Chicken. Here are some chickens. Chickens lay eggs. Some eggs hatch into baby chicks. Can you cluck like a chicken? Cluck, cluck. Goat. Goats are playful and love to climb. Some goats even give us milk. Let's all bleat like a goat. Me. Pig. Oink, oink. These are pigs. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Let's all snort like a pig. Oink, oink. Donkey. Donkeys help carry things on the farm. They make a loud sound like this, hee-haw. Duck. Here come the ducks. Ducks love to swim and make a quacking sound. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack. Rabbit. These are rabbits. Rabbits have long ears and love to hop. Let's all hop like a rabbit. Boing, boing. Goose. These are geese. They honk loudly and love to stay in groups. Can you honk like a goose? Honk, honk. Sheep. These fluffy animals are sheep. They give us wool to make warm clothes. What sound do sheep make? Baa. Turkey. Look at this turkey. It makes a funny sound. Can you gobble like a turkey? Gobble, gobble. Bee. Bees are tiny but very important. They make honey and love flowers. Can you buzz like a bee? Buzz. Parrot. Look at this colorful parrot. Parrots can mimic sounds and even talk. Can you squawk like a parrot? Squawk, squawk. Now, let's travel into the wild. Lion. Known as the king of the jungle, lions are powerful big cats that live in groups called prides. They are found in savannas and grasslands. Tiger. Tigers are the largest big cats, known for their orange fur with black stripes. They are solitary hunters found in forests and grasslands. Elephant. The largest land animal, elephants are intelligent and social. They use their trunks for eating, drinking, and communication. Giraffe. The tallest land animal, giraffes use their long necks to eat leaves from tall trees. They have unique patterns of spots. Zebra. Known for their black and white stripes, zebras live in herds and are found in African savannas. Leopard. Leopards are agile big cats with spotted coats. They are excellent climbers and often drag their prey into trees. Cheetah. The fastest land animal, cheetahs can run up to 70 miles per hour to catch prey. They have a slender body and black tear marks on their face. Gorilla. Gorillas are large primates that live in forests. They are highly intelligent and share about 98% of their DNA with humans. Rhinoceros. Rhinos are large herbivores with thick skin and 1 or 2 horns. They are found in grasslands and savannas. Hippopotamus. Hippos are semi-aquatic mammals that spend much of their time in rivers and lakes. Despite their size, they can run surprisingly fast. Crocodile. Crocodiles are ancient reptiles that live in rivers and wetlands. They are powerful predators with strong jaws. Wolf. Wolves are social animals that live in packs. They are skilled hunters and are found in forests, tundras, and grasslands. Fox. Foxes are small, clever mammals with bushy tails. They are adaptable and can live in various habitats. Bear. Bears are large mammals found in forests and mountains. Species include grizzly bears, polar bears, and black bears. Hyena. Hyenas are scavengers known for their laughter-like calls. They live in packs and are found in African savannas. Kangaroo. Native to Australia, kangaroos are marsupials that carry their young in pouches. They are known for their powerful hind leg. Panda. Pandas are black and white bears that primarily eat bamboo. They are native to China and are considered a symbol of conservation. Koala. Koalas are tree-dwelling marsupials native to Australia. They eat eucalyptus leaves and are known for their sleepy nature. Sloth. Sloths are slow-moving mammals that live in trees. They spend most of their time hanging upside down. Parrot. Parrots are colorful, intelligent birds that can mimic sounds and human speech. They live in tropical forests. Eagle. Eagles are large birds of prey with sharp eyesight and powerful talons. They are found in various habitats worldwide. Snake. Snakes are reptiles with long, flexible bodies. Some species, like cobras and pythons, are famous for their unique traits. Owl. Owls are nocturnal birds of prey with excellent night vision. They are known for their hooting calls. Deer. Deer are herbivorous mammals with antlers. They are found in forests, grasslands, and mountainous regions. Peacock. Peacocks are colorful birds known for their vibrant tail feathers. They are often associated with beauty and grace. Wow! Now, it's time to dive under the sea. Let's meet some ocean friends. Dolphin. Look! It's a group of dolphins. Did you know dolphins are super smart? They can talk to each other using clicks and whistles. Can you make a dolphin sound? Try it. Eek eek. Turtle. Wow! A sea turtle. These gentle swimmers can live for over 100 years. That's a very long time. What do turtles eat? Mostly seaweed and jellyfish. Octopus. Whoa! Look at this octopus. It has 8 arms and can change color to hide from danger. That's called camouflage. Can you count its arms? Let's do it together. Shark. Oh, here comes a shark. But don't worry, not all sharks are scary. Some, like the whale shark, are gentle giants that eat tiny fish and plankton. Starfish. Look at this starfish. Did you know if a starfish loses an arm, it can grow a new one? That's like having superpowers. What color is this starfish? Seahorse. Wow! A tiny seahorse. Did you know that daddy seahorses carry the babies in their pouch? That's so cool. Jellyfish. Look at these jellyfish. They don't have a brain or heart, but they can glow in the dark. Amazing. Crab. Here comes a crab. Did you know crabs walk sideways? Try walking like a crab. Whale. Whoa! A big whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth. Squid. Wow! A squid. Some squids can glow in the dark and squirt ink to escape. Shrimp. Look at this tiny shrimp. Some shrimp are see-through, and they can jump really fast. Lobster. Whoa! A lobster. They can live for a very long time and grow really big claws. Seal. Look at this playful seal. They love to swim and play in the water. Walrus. Wow! A walrus. They have big tusks and love to rest on ice. Seagull. Here's a seagull. They can fly over the ocean and love to catch fish. Wow, wasn't that amazing? We met so many incredible animals today, from the farm to the wild to the sea. Thanks for joining me on this animal adventure.